Hello students, good morning. Today I shall teach you chapter 19 preposition. Children, preposition is a topic which you start learning right from standard first. Now, here we shall learn the important words used preposition. Read these sentences. The book is on the desk. The book is under the desk. The book is near the desk. The book is in the desk. The book is beside the desk. The book is above the desk. The book is below the desk. Each of the following sentences contain the word that shows the relation between the book and the desk. Such words are called preposition. The noun or pronoun that follows a preposition is said to be governed by the preposition as it called its object. Now read the following sentences. He lives near us. He came with me. The letter is from him. I do not believe in them. There is a wall around it. So here are the particular words which are called preposition, like near, with, from, in, and around. In these sentences you see the preposition used with pronoun. Types of preposition. Okay, so here we are going to learn types of preposition. Preposition are of different types: time, place, movement, and direction. Again I shall repeat, prepositions are of different types: time, place, movement, and direction. Children, this is a very short chapter. Preposition of time tells us how long or when our event takes place. Example: my father was born during World War II. Second, I have known her since class 1. Preposition of place tells us where the event takes place. Example: the book is on the table. The flowers in the garden are very pretty. Preposition of movement tells us about the movement of people or things. So here, the train passed through the tunnel. We had to walk around the boundary of the field. Preposition of direction tells us the direction of the event taking place. Example: we walked towards the main road. They swam across the river. Exercise 1. Underline the correct option from the words given in the bracket. 1 has been done for you. I shall. The here 3 words are given: in, around, towards the house as it was getting late. You try with all 3 words which makes the perfect. Please underline that. The first 2 words, like I ran towards the house as it was getting late. Second, I walked up the stairs. My friend jumped over the bushes. He lived in Paris. There is a fence around the field. Please be in time for class. Now, exercise 2. Fill in the blank with suitable preposition. Here we shall discuss with exercise 2. The horse is in the stable. He got angry at me. Do not go across the river. The cat jumped over the fence. He sat on a chair. The coolie saw a snake near his foot. The sky is above our heads. We took shelter under a tree. You will be punished for your fault. It is raining. Do not go without your umbrella. There is a fence around the field. Take care of your books. Rama hid behind the door. We cut cloth with scissors. Sunday is the first day of the week. Kolkata stands on the bank of the Hooghly. The river flows under the bridge. The camel can live without water for days. Kangaroo live in Australia. The train is due at 6. I don't like traveling at night. It is very kind of you. Children, these are all the easy words which you have learned in your lower classes also. I want you to read this lesson one time and learn the types of preposition, that is time, place, movement and direction. And please revise this exercise. Thank you.